This is welding at CTE. Behind every strong building, vehicle, and piece of equipment is skilled welding.
Here in our welding class, students learn how to safely use welding machines, read blueprints, and create strong, precise welds. In welding class, students don't just learn skills, they build confidence, teamwork, and career-ready experiences.
I've just learned really communication, leadership, and this class has really helped me how to become a hard worker and to just ask questions when I need to.
From practicing basic bead techniques to building real projects, welding teaches hands-on experience that prepares students for high-demand careers.
I enjoy just seeing everything the students get to create, and all their fancy little projects that they can do, and just their excitement at being able to go out and get some certifications to prepare them for the workforce.
Welding is more than just sparks and metal, it's building a future.